This is an Alfa Romeo Giulietta Sprint Speciale. These Bertone-bodied coupes are heralded for their aerodynamics and unique body lines. This one is fresh out of a 3-year restoration with marque specialist Conrad Stevenson. The name Conrad Stevenson is widely known for the restoration and racing of significant Alfa Romeos, from pre-war cars like his 6C2500 to 1900s, Giuliettas, TZ1s, and of course Sprint Speciales, including building and driving this modified SS to a class victory at the La Carrera Panamericana in Mexico. We could look at this one and talk about it all day, but that's the other video. So let's drive it over to the shop, pick up the race car, and head for the hills. Let's go behind the wheel with builder Conrad Stevenson. Driving the cars that you build, and they're not just to look at.
I mean, you keep working on them, the more you drive them, and then you can kind of cinch them down. Really important to give them a good drive. And there's there's nothing like an event or just using it all the time to stay on top of things, and just, you can't just tighten things so hard they stay forever. You have to let them find their place and give them another little bit, and be patient, and keep at it to, get rid of those little rattles and buzzes that you hear. And I think that's what makes a car really a good one to drive. Ideally, you'd like to have a car that is one that you'd naturally go to, and the door works nice, and it's easy to get in and out of, and it doesn't hurt you to
Feels
use
right.
It feels right. Yes.
For more information, history, and discussion with Conrad Stevenson about this Giulietta SS, check out the walk-around video.
Broken in by the guy that built it.
Yeah, that's right.